Hello and welcome to week 37 of our weekly YouTube channels. We are delighted to share with you a really fantastic week here. And the main reason for these videos is just for us to be really open and transparent with all of our customers, to really give a real deeper dive into exactly how the system works, how it does and works from a capital protection point of view. Obviously, we're always going to have losses, but it's how we recover from the losses. And it's also how the system works with regarding high volatile news events. The system has many very deep algorithmic codes that are constantly working in the background to always be looking after and protecting our clients' capital. You can see here, we've got off to a lovely start, 14 wins, and now the system is off to the races. Our trades don't follow a fixed space on the chart. That's because Alpha Maverick doesn't use a grid. Entries might look random, but they're based on adaptive logic and not predefined gaps. We also used fixed lot sizes from 0.01 lots per $1,000 of equity. Simple, clean risk control, and at no point does the bot over leverage, and it never opens more than 3 trades at once. The system also has a news filter. So if we have any news events, the system will automatically cut out before any major news events. And for us, they are NFP, FOMC, and CPI being the major news events. We will also be evaluating other news events, and the trading team will be evaluating when and if the system needs to be closed for those trades. So you can see here, things are moving along really nicely. We've had 23 wins, 7 losses, 2 total drawdown closures, where, for example, if we have 3 open trades at any one time, and the maximum loss is minus 2.7%, then we will close off the system. It's very robust from account and technical management point of view. You would have just seen there a huge little spike, and that was a news event. And you can actually see here, closed event, it says 1. And that is when the system closed right before that news event to protect the client's capital. So again, nothing to worry about regarding any potential huge slippage or losses that can happen during news events. So we're moving really nicely along here in the week. We're now at 12.32% profit, 39 wins, 10 losses, 23 total buys, 26 total sells, for a total of 29 orders. Currently right now we have this one open sell order, just waiting to close out. Maximum 2 sell orders are open. And now the system is moving along and continuing open the sell orders. And we are very close to finishing off the week. And you can see here, we are nearly very close at 48 wins, 10 losses. We had 1 trend change direction, 1 event closure, and a total of 23 buys, 35 sales for a total of 58 orders over the month, for a finish of 16.47%, which is absolutely fantastic when you look at the capital protection that we have been doing throughout that week with the news events, and obviously our drawdown control on those 3 open positions that we never allowed the accounts to go below a minus 2.5%. There's also a key moment in this week where the bot closes a trade in the loss. That's not a failure, that's protection. If the market turns and hits a specific threshold, the position is closed, even in red, to protect the overall account. We're really, really happy with this this week. The total drawdown was 6.21%, slightly above last week at 4.21%, but within the comfort zone of gold's volatility. Thank you very much for listening, and we look forward to sending you our review of next week's video. Thank you.